Assalamualaikum viewers. This refrigerator is not working from past few days. As you are watching, interior light is working fine, but the compressor is not running. I can feel inside the refrigerator. It's not cool at all. In this video, I'll try to show how I fix it. By the way, I'm not an expert for this field. If the compressor is good but not working or cooling, some reasons may play a role behind it. Either temperature sensor is not sending proper temperature signal to the compressor, or the running components of compressor like relay overload and so on are damaged. So I'll check one by one my suspects. To check relay and overload, I have to open snubber first. To check the relay, set your ammeter to continuity. These both terminals should close normally. So meter should buzz and show a little distance, about 25 ohm. This relay is normally acting like open, so it's damaged as it's not showing any resistance. Now see, this is a new relay and see, the ammeter is buzzing. Now let's replace the relay and see what is happening. Now the compressor is working. It's gradually cooling inside the refrigerator. Problem is fixed here, so I don't need to check further suspects. But I'll try to clarify you about the principle, the working principle of the relay. This was a PTC relay. PTC stands for positive temperature coefficient, and induction motor has used inside of compressor. To run an induction motor, it needs a starting current for a very short time, and this relay just used for the starting current. Let me clarify. Say this is the three terminals of compressor: C, S, R. As the PTC is a Swiss like normally closed. So PTC relay shorts R and S. When induction motor starts, then it's not need to supply starting current. So the PTC relay should cut the connection between S and R. Now the question is how the relay cuts the connection. It's pretty simple. In the relay there is a resistor for around 25 ohm, but when the current flows through the resistor, it generates and increases heat. Resistivity increases upon heating and becomes like an open circuit. This is how the PTC relay cuts the connection between S and R. That's all. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.